When it comes to multitasking in the kitchen, having the right tools can make all the difference. This Ganiza Immersion Blender 5-in-1 hand blender is designed to be a versatile and powerful solution to your blending, chopping, whisking, and frothing needs. With a 1000 watts heavy-duty motor, 16 speed modes, and a range of useful attachments, this immersion blender promises to be a game-changer in your kitchen. In this detailed review, we'll dive into what makes the Ganiza hand blender stand out, and why it might just be the perfect addition to your culinary toolkit. The first thing you'll notice about the Ganiza Immersion Blender is its sleek, modern design. The stainless steel body is not only durable, but also features a brushed finish that adds a touch of sophistication to its appearance. This is a kitchen tool you won't mind leaving out on your counter. The stainless steel also offers scratch resistance, ensuring that the blender retains its fresh look even with regular use. Why choose the Ganiza Immersion Blender? The Ganiza Immersion Blender is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a powerful, versatile, and easy-to-use kitchen tool. Here's why this blender stands out. 1. Powerful motor. The 1000 watts copper motor provides the power you need to tackle a wide range of kitchen tasks quickly and efficiently. 2. Versatile attachments. With 5 different attachments, this blender can handle everything from blending and chopping to whisking and frothing, making it a true multitasking kitchen tool. 3. Durable construction. The stainless steel body and blades are built to last, ensuring long-term reliability. 4. Ease of use. The ergonomic design, intuitive controls, and easy-to-clean parts make this blender a joy to use. 5. Safety features. Built-in safety mechanisms protect both the user and the appliance, making it a safe choice for any kitchen. The Ganiza blender is built with a full copper motor, which is known for its durability and efficiency. In fact, the copper motor promises a service life that's 3 times longer than that of common motors found in other blenders. This makes it a reliable choice for anyone who uses a hand blender frequently. The ergonomic design of the Ganiza blender is another highlight. The handle is designed to be comfortable to hold, allowing you to use the blender for extended periods without straining your hand. The intuitive controls are easy to access, and the buttons are responsive, making the blender straightforward to operate. At the heart of the Ganiza Immersion Blender is a powerful 1000 watts motor, capable of tackling a wide range of kitchen tasks with ease. Whether you're blending a smoothie, chopping vegetables, whisking eggs, or frothing milk, this blender delivers consistent, high-quality results. The 16-speed mode is one of the standout features of this blender. With 15 variable speeds, you can achieve the perfect texture for any recipe, from delicate sauces to thick, creamy soups. The added turbo mode provides an extra boost of power when you need to blend tougher ingredients like frozen fruits or dense vegetables. This feature is especially useful when you're short on time or working with larger quantities. The SUS 304 stainless steel 4-leaf blades are designed for efficiency and durability. These cross blades are sharp and robust, capable of blending and extracting nutrients from ingredients in just 15 seconds. This makes the Ganiza blender ideal for a variety of tasks, including making smoothies, milkshakes, baby food, soups, sauces, dips, and more. The blades are also designed to minimize splashing, ensuring a cleaner blending process. One of the key selling points of the Ganiza Immersion Blender is its versatility. This is not just a blender. It's a complete kitchen system that comes with multiple attachments to help you with various cooking tasks. 1. Blender attachment. The primary attachment is perfect for blending soups, smoothies, and sauces. The stainless steel blade housing is designed to blend efficiently while minimizing splashing. 2. Whisk attachment. The whisk attachment is great for whipping cream, beating eggs, and creating fluffy meringues. The speed control allows you to adjust the whisking speed to get the perfect consistency for your recipes. 3. Chopper attachment. The 600 ml chopper attachment is ideal for chopping vegetables, nuts, herbs, and even meat. The sharp blades and powerful motor make quick work of chopping tasks, saving you time in the kitchen. 4. Milk frother. The milk frother attachment is perfect for making frothy milk for your coffee, lattes, or hot chocolate. It's also useful for frothing other liquids like cream or non-dairy milk. 5. 800 milliliters mixing beaker. The included mixing beaker is a convenient container for blending and mixing ingredients. It's the perfect size for making single servings of smoothies, shakes, or other blended drinks. This 5-in-1 functionality makes the Ganiza blender a versatile tool that can replace several single-function appliances in your kitchen. Whether you're making a quick breakfast smoothie, prepping ingredients for dinner, or whipping up a batch of whipped cream for dessert, this blender has you covered. The Ganiza Immersion Blender is designed with user convenience in mind. The snap-on/off detachable attachments make it easy to switch between tasks, allowing you to move seamlessly from blending to chopping to whisking without missing a beat. The attachments are also designed to be easy to clean. Most parts, including the blades, whisk, and frother, are dishwasher-safe, which simplifies the cleanup process. Just make sure to clean the electronic parts and the chopper bowl lid with a damp cloth to avoid damaging them. The blender's compact design makes it easy to store, even in kitchens with limited space. The detachable parts can be neatly stored in a drawer or cabinet, keeping your kitchen organized. Safety is a top priority when it comes to kitchen appliances, and the Ganiza Immersion Blender is designed to be safe and durable. The robust stainless steel construction ensures that the blender can withstand regular use without wearing down. The copper motor is designed to prevent overheating, even during extended use, ensuring safe operation. The blender also features built-in safety mechanisms to prevent accidents. The detachable parts are designed to stay securely attached during use, reducing the risk of accidents. Additionally, the motor has overheat protection, which automatically shuts off the blender if it starts to overheat, preventing damage to the motor and extending the blender's lifespan. In conclusion, the Ganiza Immersion Blender 5-in-1 hand blender is a versatile and powerful kitchen tool that can simplify your cooking tasks and improve your culinary experience. Whether you're an experienced chef or a home cook, this blender offers the performance, convenience, and durability you need to take your cooking to the next level. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and discover how this blender can transform your kitchen. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.